Wagwan beautiful people, I am Chev B. If you're new to my channel, welcome Wagwan. Make sure you are subscribed down below. Now jumping straight into this video, these clip-ins I got from Betterlength about a year ago, and this is their seamless clip-ins in 18 inches, and this is the light yaki texture, and it matches my natural hair to perfection. Currently my hair is a ginger orangish color, and I love wearing my clip-ins, so I need them to match my hair because I like to be versatile with my styles. So this is an updated video, and also we're going to see how well these clip-ins can be bleached and just the quality of the hair overall. Like, this is the true test. So I'm using basic white and number 40 volume developer, and I'm just gonna mix that together, and then I'm just gonna add powder until I get the consistency that I want. So I don't want it to be runny, but I need it to be thick but not super thick, like this consistency that I'm showing you on camera. So first I'm gonna spread out the first hair. What you want to do when you're bleaching hair, like, I'm no professional at this, but I think I know just enough, because honey, I'm not gonna spend money to make someone else do something that I could do myself. I'm just gonna apply my bleach mixture onto the hair, making sure that you are protected, you have gloves on, and I'm also wearing a mask because the fumes are strong. Okay, make sure that you have a well ventilated area while doing this. And so I'm just making sure I get all the way up at the top. Obviously the weft of the clip-in is black, but you're not going to see there because your hair is going to cover it if you decide to bleach these clip-ins. I go all the way up, and I'm going to flip the hair over. I'm going to spread it out. I'm just going to make sure that I get the bleach on every part of the hair so that it doesn't look botchy and it looks evenly. Now, one thing with 40 developer, it lifts quickly, because by the time I did all of my clip-ins, this is what the hair is looking like, and it's only been a few minutes. So I leave them to sit for about 20 minutes. I'm just showing you guys like which ones I did first leading down, so that I don't wash them out all at once. I make sure that I'm going in order. So once I left those for about 20 minutes, I rinsed them out, and then we're going to be using these two colors to color our hair. Now, I got my hair professionally colored. Honestly, I don't know what the initial color was, but if you watch my vlog maybe a month ago, I used these two colors to tone down the ginger of my hair because it was a little bit too light. So I'm like, you know what, this is supposed to be the perfect two mixtures to match my hair. Now, they were really good, but I feel like I could have gone one shade down. So instead of using the amber color, I'd say just stay with the spicy Cajun. I think that's what it's called. That color, Chef's Kiss, was perfect, would be the perfect match. But I just used a little bit of amber just to give it almost like a golden tone as opposed to a deep gingerish look, if y'all get what I'm saying. So just use more Cajun spice, or spice Cajun, more than the amber. So I'm making sure that I'm getting this all over, and you want this to sit, okay, because it takes a while for human hair like this to really catch on to semi-permanent color. So I left this to sit for at least 4 hours. I let it sit there. So you want to do this overnight. You're not going to do everything in one day. Let it sit, let it marinate, let it do its thing. Like, I left that baby for hours to really hold on to the product. So this is what my hair is looking like. All I did was wash my hair and straighten it. I'll show you guys a video of me fully straightening my hair, the technique that I use. And this is how the hair is looking like. Look at that. It's just one slight shade off. And that is why I'm giving y'all the advice. Like, if you wanted to go darker, just use that spicy Cajun. More of that product than the amber. So I'm gonna recolor this hair maybe another time, but right now I'm kind of fine with the color. It's giving a really nice golden ginger undertone, which I absolutely love. And because there's temporary color in my hair, it's gonna fade a bit anyway, so it's gonna match the clip-ins even more about maybe a month from now. So I'm just prepping my hair for the first hairstyle. I'm going to show you guys two hairstyles that I did using my clip-ins this week. So first one is the messy bun with the bang on the side. First things first, I put my hair in the front away where I'm going to have my bang. And then I'm going to use this technique that I did was it a couple months ago or sometime late last year. I did this technique and y'all loved it, so that's what we're gonna do to create our high bun. I just sectioned my hair, removed the perimeter of my hair because this is what's gonna cover the clip-ins, and then I make a little ponytail in the center of my hair. Now this doesn't have to be tight, this is just gonna be your anchor for your clip-in. Going to go in with my first set of clip-ins. I think I used about 3 to 4 clip-ins on this ponytail, so I'm clipping it on to my hair and I'm just gonna go around in a circle. Now it's not gonna be the super neatest thing, honestly. It's a trial and error type of thing, nothing too fancy, nothing hard. Just take your time, flip the hair over, just look at what you're doing, make sure that you're not clipping your hair into it. So that is why I use my little clips on the side, just to keep my hair out of the way. And you're gonna keep adding clip-ins until you get the desired fullness for yourself personally. Now, even though you're trying to get volume and fullness, you don't want to overcrowd the middle and then the back looks bulky. Now that I'm satisfied with the volume, I'm just going to go ahead and put my hair up with the ponytail, making sure everything is looking lovely, it doesn't look bulky. And then I'm just going to put a clipping on the side right here. And this is optional. It depends on how full you want it, how smooth you want the hair. I just needed one more clip in without putting it next to the ponytail. And because this is a seamless clip in, it laid so flat. Like, look how flat that is. Like, y'all can't tell that there's something in the middle. Like, the clip-ins from Betterlength are so flat, so natural, so lightweight. Love, love, love. So first I put my hair in a ponytail and I left out a little bit of my hair on the side right here just to make sure that I get that swoop on the side. And then I'm going to go in with some EBIN spray and then just use my brush to brush that in and mold it to how I want it. So you want to make sure that you know where you want your hair to be, because once you spray that EBIN on your hair, babe, it does not move, okay? So make sure that it is to your liking before you actually spray. And I'm going to spray the back as well, make sure that everything is in. And then I'm going to redo my ponytail just to make sure that it's nice and snug. And this is how the ponytail is looking. Listen, if my hair was just a tad bit longer, I would have worn it just like this with the ponytail, because baby, she is flat, she is swinging, she is giving, okay? And then I'm just gonna comb it out, make sure that everything is smooth, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of heat protectant on the hair, because remember, at the end of the day, this is human hair, you don't want to damage it. So I put some heat protectant on there, and then I'm gonna take my curling iron and just create like little light waves in the hair. Now to create my little bun situation, I'm just gonna flip the hair over, and also this is gonna help to disguise my hair since it's so short. or shorter than the clip-ins. So I flip it front ways and then I put a hair tie to hold it in place, and then I'm gonna fluff up the bun a bit because obviously it's gonna have like not so much of a uniform look, so you want to shape your bun how you want. So I'm gonna take some of the hair, the curly pieces, fold them under, put some bobby pins, just play around with the bun until you get the desired look. If you want to put it like a top knot, like just wrapping it around, you can do that as well. And now for the front, my hair is pretty full in the front, but I think I just want a little bit more length in the front right there. So I'm just gonna put these short pieces of clip-ins that I initially cut the first time that I used these clip-ins in that video. So I just used those short pieces in the front, so I didn't have to recut any more of the clip-ins. These are just 2 pieces that I cut, and then I use the curling iron and just curl it up, give it a bang 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 type of look. Okay, sweetie, like give it some volume, give it some flair, everything. Then I take my little small flat iron and just create little curls on the side. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I like the little curly situation going on. It's like a effortless yet I put effort in it type of look. And then we're gonna go in with that EBIN gel. And then I'm going, that was Got To Be, right? Yeah, I use that Got To Be gel and just create a little soup type of situation. Now I use this instead of edge control because with edge control it's gonna be all greasy and wet and I don't want my hair to revert. And this is how the hair is looking with my high bun with the bang on the side. One of my top favorite hairstyles with clip-ins. Love, love, love. Now let's move on to hairstyle number 2. This was later on in the week. So what I did was braided the back of my hair going back. I had to wash out my hair a bit because the EBIN, as I said, would not move. Okay, and I wanted to wear my hair in like a side part type of situation. So we cornrowed the back and left the front out. Initially, I was going to do a half up, half down, but I didn't want that. I didn't like it how it turned out in the end. So I'm just going to do the side part. So we're just going to reapply our clip-ins and just full it out in the back. I think I used 5 pieces in the back. The clip-ins, they come with 10 pieces. So 5 in the back, and I think I used the rest in the front. I actually had 1 piece left over. So now I'm just creating where I want my side part to be. And honestly, by leaving half of your hair out as a leave out, you can remove the clip-ins on top and create a center part. You can do a half up, half down. You can do a side part. So I don't mind having these leave out in the front, and plus they give it a natural look where if I was to swoop my hair back, it would look super natural. So I'm just parting my hair in areas that I think I need to fill in so that my hair is disguised under the clip-in. And then I'm just going to continue to go until I am satisfied. And again, with these seamless, the hair laid flat, like professionally flat. You could tell me I didn't get a sew-in or something. Like this was giving very much traditional sew-in. The hair blended so well. Remember, I was having a little iffy type of moment, wondering if the hair would have matched, but girl, the hair matched to perfection. Like, look how natural that looks. So I'm just using this wax stick just to help with my flyaways, just making sure that everything lays neatly. Okay guys, this is our final look. Let me know what you think about these styles that I did. if I haven't told y'all anything, if y'all have not learned or taken any advice from me, just know Betterlength's clip-in is the truth. So if you're ever wondering about getting these clip-ins, if they're really 100% natural hair, this is the evidence right here. This is the look at the quality. We bleached this hair, we colored it, we cut it, we used it for a year, and it's still giving brand new. Look at the bounce, look at the fullness. This is only one pack of hair and it's still giving to this day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Follow me on all major social media platforms at Chev, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.